Hey guys, Terry on Down the Road Productions. Welcome back for another epic episode from M22 on the western side of Michigan. Looking forward to this one. I'm taking M22 from the bottom straight up as far as I can go this trip, and you know, we love the ride. M22 fits the bill. I stopped at a Marathon gas station and I'll show you. It's actually a pretty good one. Somewhere around here. Right there. Let me come back around this way. Just filled up the tank on our Goldwing. I travel with Windex electronic wipes, and I cleaned my visor and windshield. Went inside, had a pit stop. I gotta tell you guys, I lose combs, man, like crazy on my motorcycles. And if anyone suffers from helmet hair, it's me. So thus the hat. I realize that you guys know I'm riding a motorcycle, so my hair's not gonna be perfect in these videos. But I don't care about that shit. But I kinda do. It's pretty funny now at this point in my life. Yeah, I rode up from Crystal Mountain, obviously. I'm on 31. I'm going to be hitting M22 relatively soon after topping off my tank, and this place is called the Saddle Up. Pretty much a full convenience grocery store, gas station, blah, 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 blah. I'm ready to get going. So guys, let's have a good episode. Let's have a good time on our Goldwing. I'm glad you're here. Let's go. Thank you so much. Let's do this.
Day 3.
Very quickly here. This is what she looks like this morning. 360 camera. Running Waze right here. There's our new Sedici. There's our Cena 50C. Gonna finish this unsweetened iced tea before I hop back on. There we go. And we left our tag on pump 5. I think the only thing I forgot on this trip were my I hate myself, my drone, and I think my sunglasses. I don't think they're on the bike. They might be, but I don't know. If I find them, it'll be a blessing. All right, guys. Okay, so it's Wednesday, and on M22 North, I stopped at Kitty Rothwell again. So let's just say you're on your motorcycle. This is a great stop because if you're hot from riding or the humidity, just standing here, you get the cool breeze off Lake Michigan. I just stopped for a quick pit stop and it was on the way, and this is a definite destination spot if you're motorcycling on M22, 110%. Here's a good view of the Lake Michigan view from Kitty Rothwell. As beautiful as this lake is, you can see some boats out there. The breeze is worth the stop. That cool breeze coming in off the lake totally mitigates the heat, which any motorcycle rider would appreciate. Alright, so I found a great deli yesterday in downtown Glen Arbor. It's a Jewish deli. I can't pronounce it correctly, but it's right behind me there, I think. I just stopped to get a to-go sandwich, throw it on the bike to eat it later. Their sandwiches are so good. It's to go. I'm just waiting out the 5 minutes for the order. We started off this morning in Crystal Mountain. I took 31 down to the start of M22, and I've been riding M22 North all day. What a beautiful thing to do. Just a quick check-in for this video. We'll keep going, guys. All right, well, here's my Tripoli deli sandwich on fry bread to go from right there. This great deli. Okay, we came in north of here, going south again on M22 into Sutton's Bay. Around that curve, there's a great beach over there, things like that. And I'll be heading out this way, south on M22. Really appreciate everyone checking out this episode, definitely. This is the second time the Goldwing's been on M22, rocking and rolling, and this makes it official. Right there. Isn't that cool, people? Burning down the road with On Down the Road Productions. Making it official. Time to wrap up this episode from On Down the Road Productions. I've ended our trip in Sutton's Bay. Just sat down and ate that sandwich I picked up from the Jewish deli in downtown Glen Arbor, and doing my closeout sequence now. So we covered a lot more ground on M22. I took it right from the beginning at US 31 and M22 and came back up north. Things I found out were north of Glen Arbor on M22 there's a lot of tar strips in the road. I mean, a lot, especially in the curves. It's overdone. So for the first 2 to 4 miles heading north from Glen Arbor on M22 by motorcycle, just be extra vigilant. Tar strips are tar strips, but there's an abundance of them, and I felt it once or twice where I thought I had no traction. It's a weird feeling going through a curve. So I think I got lucky, or I just had good skill. I don't know. So obviously we're in on M22 for motorcycle riding all the way. I hope you've enjoyed this episode and some of what I've shared. And with all that, until next episode, make sure you keep pushing forward, you keep persevering. We'll see you next episode. I hope everyone's doing good. We think of you. We're on your side. And take care. Thank you so very much.